The second step is to create the Firebase project and connect that project with the industry project. And how do we do that? Let's see in this video. I will go to the Firebase console. So it's simply just typing the Firebase and it will redirect to the site page where you will see the right top corner, go to the console. So I will go to the console. Ask me an email to select on which you want to create the Firebase project. Now I will create a new project. I will name it Firebase with MVVM. I will confirm, continue, then continue. I will select default account for Firebase. Now create a project. It will take a little bit time to creating a project and setup for it. Then it will redirect to the main console of that project. Continue. So once the project is created, now we have the Firebase console of that project. On the main screen, you will see a different platform: iOS, Android, and web. So we will be connecting this project with the Android Studio. It's been like in Android. So I will select the Android part. It will be asking for the package name and the SHA-1 key in order to register our Android Studio project with the Firebase project. I will go to the Android Studio. For checking the package name, I will go to simply for the manifest file, and there you will see the package. I will copy that and paste there. Now how we will get the SHA-1 key? So it's easy. I will go to the Gradle, and there you will see it's not there. Then I will go to okay. Now for getting the SHA-1 key, I will simply go to the Gradle. Sometime it's appear there. If it's not appearing and you can't find it there, just simply click on this icon and it will open that searching bar where you can search the command and just print that signing report and enter. It will run the task. Oh, we get the error. Now let's check out what's went wrong. If signing report, what was went wrong? So we just entered the wrong word, so that's why we are getting that error. So once, as you can see, we correct the word, the task is successfully executed. Now we can get the SHA-1 key from there. So I will get that SHA-1 key. The first and the second one is both actually same. So I will just copy that SHA-1 key. Now once we click on the register app, it will register our Android Studio project with the Firebase project. It will take a little bit time to just configurations. Now once it successfully linked that project with the Firebase project, the second step is to get the Google Json file. So I will download that JSON file. Now I will go to the download section. I will simply copy that file and paste it in the app level. I will just simply change it to the project structure tree and just simple paste in the app module. So here we are. Now the Firebase project is actually linked with the Android Studio. So the third step is to configure the plugin and libraries for that Firebase project. Now we will be doing that in that step. Now so I will add the class file in the project Gradle file. I will just simply change that Gradle script, and this one is the project Gradle file. I will just add there. As we were getting the error because we were putting the class path in that plugins there, so I just simply changed into this section, like creating the build script body, and inside the dependency body I put that class path there. Now it's working fine and the build is successfully. In the third step we will go to like the applying the plugins and implementing the necessary dependencies for the Firebase project. So I will simply copy that plugin and put it, go to the Gradle app level, and there we'll simply change the into ID. I think Android applications already exist, we don't need that. This one is we need it. Yes, ID, and copy that. Okay, oops. Okay, now the another thing is create, copy that. Okay, and we don't need the analytics one, so I guess that's fine, just sync now. Yeah, so in the meantime it will, okay, it's built now. Okay, console. The Android Studio project connected successfully with the Firebase console. I will just simply go to the Firestore database, and we will be using that throughout the project, the Firestore database. I will create a database, will switch to the test mode, and just select any one of the server region and enable it. Was created successfully in the test mode, so there will be no rules on like how on creating and getting the data and read and write the data. Yeah, so for testing I will add connection node. I just create all true and ID I will put it simply, it's for like the demonstration purpose, like to show you how the collection and documents will look like in the Firebase consoles when we were trying to adding. And this is the collection, and inside collection we will have multiple documents. Inside the document we will have the data fields like we will be showing to the user on the UI. Now going to the Android Studio project, so I guess the Firebase project implementation is successfully. One thing is we can go to the Firebase tools, so there I can also show you how you can do implementation through as well. Like supposing so this is the Cloud Firestore. Getting started with the Cloud Firestore, we can click on it. That one is the connect to the Firebase. Yes, we already have established connection with the Firebase, like our project is successfully connected with the Firebase project, so that will be not having an issue. So it will take a time to check the connection is the if the connection is already established, it will probably give you a go ahead. Otherwise it will throw an error to tell you like that your project is not connected with the Firebase project. In this Firebase Assistance tool, you will find some samples regarding adding the data and getting the data from Firestore. So these example actually help us, like suppose you forget like how to add an object to the Firestore. In that case, you just go there and see like the sample callback instead of going to the browser and check there. So it's really helpful for one if someone forget like how to add and how to update and how the success and failure is implementing with this callback. I will add the dependencies from there as well. Now you can see in the small dialog it show you like, do you want to add this dependencies? Yes, accept changes. We have added this dependencies for the file store. It will take time to download the library and to build the Gradle